Alright, so this is the Bamboo Blonde. As you can see, quite famous place for the ladies. As you can see, so many beautiful things. I believe so. I'm not sure if I can record inside. However, outside is the big sale. 150, 250, 300. Accessories, dress. My Sayang just got a new dress today. Check this out. But maybe one more, honey. Maybe one more. What do you think? Nice selection.
They have a quite,
Honey,
big sale.
honey, Sayang, choose something sexy. Yes, honey? This one nice. Not so bad. This is for ladies, short. This is for you. Look at the small gecko on the lady on the billboard. So funny. Oh, honey, this one looks nice.
This one, only 150K.
Oh, just take it, honey. Very nice. Do you like it? Very nice. Are you happy from your new dress?
Yeah, I bought it super cheap.
Oh,
So cool.
that's nice.
So it's time for dinner, and I see that Italian job has a 50% discount.
So
I like
probably
this.
pizza time. Okay, let's see. Let's see. That's, I think, it's new restaurant in Seminyak area. Looks pretty cool. 50%. We will see. It's quite busy. Ooh la la. Honey, what did you order?
Okay, today I just eat salad because this morning before I went to office, I went to a lab and then I did a medical checkup. And you know what? I've got a really high cholesterol in my blood.
Oh my god, no more babi guling, no more nasi.
No, I mean like too much,
Fried
like
thing.
guling, fried thing.
Indonesian food, like a fried food, is very not healthy actually for the cholesterol.
Yeah, oily food, so many,
Pisang
like
goreng.
No, pisang goreng is fine, but yeah.
But yeah, let's get this anyway. Check this out, this beautiful Caesar salad. Very nice. Smacznego. Alright, so we are after our dinner. If you are interested for all of what you saw, pizza, salad and water, we just pay 150K, which is about 10 American dollars, which is not so bad. And now we will stroll.
The price is much cheaper than in Massimo in Sanur.
Yeah.
And much more yummy than in Sanur.
Actually, that's quite pretty interesting fact. Okay, so here is some life and traffic, as you see. The burger bar, Nirvana. There are two different places, I think. Anyway, it's quite busy. Some live music, some people. Here is some restaurant with the very nice decoration of Penjor with the lights.
Seminyak nowadays more busier than last time that when we were here. As you see them in the restaurant open, the live music open. So yeah, it's very nice. So yesterday we have made the update about how Kuta at night. So today we just make a house Seminyak at night.
So that's how it is. Also next to the Italian job is the famous place called Romors. And even some tattoo studio here is open. And spa. And here we go. Romors. For everyone who are familiar. Like this, not so bad. Yo, what's up? The guy is waving to you over there. Very nice. Cool crack, cool crack. Meja Bar 68. Over here is famous place. It's called Salazon, Seminyak. Usually supposed to be very busy, but currently, as you can see, in general traffic in Seminyak. Amadia Resort Villas. Also this place, Char Char, was famous long time ago, but unfortunately currently is closed.
And over there is the blow bar. So when my friend and I used to go there, I mean like when we have a salon, after that we go down to the bar. So
Nice.
that's hidden bar. It's a nice place.
Nice.
But unfortunately,
It's closed, yeah. Here is a Kimberly Spa, also seems open, as you see. So, some places are just open but
and some places are just closed. What is it?
just closed, and it's quite
Permanently closed, like Ultimo restaurant, just next to Italian job. It's just closed.
It's just closed. Like many places over here, even it's dark little bit. So, like this building, it's closed. Here is some spa, massage, not so bad. And that's how it is. We're heading now into the La Favela direction.
I don't know, but most of you like miss this area, especially La Favela.
Yeah, so many requests about La Favela, and we will see how is the life in that area. But I'm not sure if La Favela is open. So this is the La Favela. Unfortunately, it's closed, which is sad, but that's the reality. Here is the Nati's bar restaurant, Coco Mart, very famous place. Yo, what's up? How are you? Bali. And always busy in this area. So many people park their bikes and trying to park their cars somewhere here, but today is like, that's how it is. And this is the red carpet. I think we will go here. We will see. Hello, how are you? Hello. That's how it is.
So after we had a dinner and then we decided to have a coffee. And Damian has a Bintan.
Radler, but check this out. Nice servings.
Quite many people are here.
And will be the live band, so they have a nice place here. And very nice band.
Feels like the first time.
Yo, what's up?
Yes, another one.
So as you can see, it's in the middle of the week, but there are some life in Seminyak. It's very optimistic and it's like fun. As you see. Nice, very cool. Very cool indeed. Oh honey, be careful how you cross the road, honey. Johnny Rockets. And there somewhere here is very famous. Yo, what's up? Taxi? Maybe later, yeah? Or tomorrow? Yeah. Always good. We spoke with the taxi driver. Well, he wasn't even a taxi driver, but here is the famous gelato place, but already closed, honey. So no gelato today anymore.
Yeah.
But this place is very famous. I remember as well with so many people. usually in normal conditions. And yeah, I think not much is happening in that area anymore.
Alright, I think that's all our video today, guys, and then it's time to go home. I know it's early. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. See you, take care.